Hi everyone, Australia's storm chasing here, and this is my next 2-week forecast for Australia as of March 12th, 2025, Wednesday. In today's video, I'm talking about the possible tropical cyclone risk for Western Australia in 2 weeks' time, the storms in the Perth area, storms in Tasmania, rainfall in New Zealand and North Queensland, high amounts of rainfall. As we can see with this forecast model for Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, there is a weak cyclone offshore of Western Australia and a stronger cyclone that will form and skim down the northern Western Australia coast starting early Wednesday in 2 weeks' time. If you look right northwest of the Broome area out to sea, you can see the cyclone starting to form. This is most likely to be a Category 2 system if it landfalls near Port Hedland in Western Australia. If we look at the rain accumulation out at sea where this cyclone will be in 2 weeks' time from now, we can see that it is expected about 200 millimeters of rainfall, which is 20 centimeters. If we look at the wind gusts, it more supports a Category 1 or Category 2 cyclone. If you are in the area near this cyclone, do not prepare yet and wait for more information. We can see some heavy rainfall amounts and thunderstorm activity as a result of this possible tropical cyclone. Make sure you keep a close eye and stay updated on this system. There is no confirmed information yet, as it has only just been announced by ECMWF forecast. As the atmosphere pressure in this area where the cyclone is expected to be is below 995, that is a high indicator of a cyclone most of the time. Now, let's look at the rainfall expected for North Queensland in the coming week. If we look at the rainfall accumulation in North Queensland in 2 weeks' time again, on Wednesday the 26th of March, we can see some high amounts in the hundreds of millimeters of rainfall in the coming weeks in North Queensland. This is due to a strong low pressure system off the northwest point of Queensland that has a small but low possibility of becoming a very weak tropical cyclone. As this map shows, the highest rain accumulation is in the northern tip of Queensland mainly. The GFS forecast says similar. Now, let's take a quick look at the rainfall in this area throughout the week. We can see it's very light amounts as of now, but it ramps up throughout the week. Most of this rain stays out at sea until the low pressure system pushes it in towards the coast. Expect the worst of it in 2 weeks' time, but it is not a flooding emergency or a dire situation, just an opportunity to get the plants watered. There could be some thunder added with this low pressure system too. That's all severe weather for Queensland in the coming 2 weeks. As a cold front moves through the southwestern Australia area in the coming weeks, it's expected to bring the Perth metro area some thunderstorms and heavy rain, possibly severe, so be careful with that. Worst of it happens late Thursday to Friday this week. After that, the rainfall in the Perth area is more minimal in the coming weeks. Remember, if you are near the areas that these storms may affect, take care, and if you chase them, proceed with precaution. The the worst is noon or evening on Thursday tomorrow. Be careful and good luck. With the rainfall, it won't be heavy enough to warrant a flood warning. It's just the possible wind and hail that's the problem. Now to the southeast and Tasmania area of Australia. As we can see, mainly today Tasmania will cop many thunderstorms in the coming days. Not severe enough to warrant a concern though. Other than Tasmania, the southern and eastern bits of Australia seem fine in the coming weeks. Now to our friends across the pond, New Zealand. The thunderstorms and low pressure trough that hit Tasmania that I just talked about end up in 2 weeks' time, making it to New Zealand, bringing some heavy and possibly severe rainfall with the chance of possibly severe thunderstorms on the South Island. This rain map shows that again, but other than that, nothing to worry about. Just light showers in New Zealand after that, so a chill week for them. Thank you for watching my first ever Australia-New Zealand forecast. Tell me if you liked it in the comments, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See y'all next time, and stay weather alert.